Target's Apple Pay policy. Yes, Target accepts Apple Pay as a payment method at all of its US stores. The retailer adopted this contactless payment option to provide customers with a fast, secure, and convenient checkout experience. 1. Does Target accept Apple Pay in-store? Yes, Target accepts Apple Pay in-store. You can use it at any contactless payment terminal by holding your iPhone, Apple Watch, or other compatible Apple devices near the NFC-enabled card reader. 2. How to use Apple Pay in-store at Target. Step 1. Open your Apple Wallet app. Step 2. Select your preferred card. Step 3. Hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader. Step 4. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Step 5. Wait for the confirmation beep or check mark to complete the transaction. 3. Does Target accept Apple Pay online? No, Target does not accept Apple Pay for online purchases made directly through Target.com or the Target app. However, you can use Apple Pay if you shop at Target through third-party platforms like Instacart. 4. Does Target accept Apple Pay for curbside pickup? Yes, Apple Pay works for curbside pickup if you pay in-store at pickup. However, when paying through the Target app or website, you'll need to use a different payment method like a credit debit card, Target Red Card, PayPal, or gift card. 5. Which devices can be used to pay with Apple Pay at Target? iPhone, with Face ID or Touch ID. Apple Watch. Double-click side button near the reader. iPad, for payments via supported third-party apps. 6. Can you use Apple Pay with Target self-checkout? Yes, Apple Pay works at self-checkout stations. The process is the same as using it with a cashier. Tap, authenticate, and go. 7. Are there any fees when using Apple Pay at Target? No, Target does not charge fees for using Apple Pay. Standard credit card or bank fees may still apply if they are part of your bank's policy. 8. Additional payment options at Target. Aside from Apple Pay, Target also accepts Google Pay, Samsung Pay Target Red Card 5% discount, credit or debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, PayPal, online only, gift cards, Target, and third party. 9. Is Apple Pay safe to use at Target? Yes, Apple Pay is highly secure due to encryption, tokenization, and biometric authentication, Face ID, Touch ID. Your card details are never shared with Target. Target accepts Apple Pay in all US stores, including self-checkout stations and curbside pickup if paid in-store. However, Apple Pay is not available for direct online purchases via Target.com or the Target app. Enjoy faster, safer payments with just a tap of your device.